One of the things that I quickly found out was it's not even about so much about who you know, which is another myth that we are going to hear that accent right there. See, I told you it escapes me sometimes. You see that? Yeah. We are going to, what was that? Yeah, anyway, and we're back. There is going to be a very necessary ability that you need to have in being able to socialize with people. I'm not talking about going to parties and hopefully you meet somebody, and especially not in COVID right now. I don't know about you guys, but I am not going to the party zone. I am staying in the studio. You want to be able to socialize, and you can do that via somebody's DM, message them on Facebook, Twitter, whatever it is. But you want to be able to kind of network with somebody, and not in a slimy kind of way like you're just trying to get something. You want to present some sort of value that you want to deliver to that person in order to have something on the table to negotiate with. I'd highly recommend getting up some social skills, learning how to really find what it is within yourself that you have to offer, and learn how to say that and articulate that in a way where somebody would feel like, this dude is friendly, or you know what, that's cool. Because at the end of the day, that's really what's going to be getting you through the door, at least at first. But you have to keep in mind that just because you got through the door doesn't mean that you can't go back out the door. All right, your ability and your talent will get you through the door. Your skill will keep you there.